Las telenovelas. I always cry when I watch the women, las mujeres, suffer in the telenovelas, and they always suffer. But when they cry, their mascara doesn't smear, and they don't look like raccoons afterwards. Las mujeres in soap operas always look gorgeous. They make me feel inadequate, with my chubby cheeks and puffy brown eyes. I glance over at Mommy, sitting beside me on the couch, her eyes fixed on the screen while she peels potatoes into her apron like always. It's comforting to see our prayers being answered. At this moment, no one would guess Mommy's had cancer. Not by the way she carries on with her normal life. The pains of summer are far behind her now. Since she is no longer in treatment and never lost her hair, Mommy looks as lovely and healthy as ever. People often say I look just like her. It's true, I have Mommy's hair and eyes, but her skin is different. Hers is a darker, richer brown. It gives her a warm glow. She isn't gorgeous like a movie star, but she's beautiful. Is that going to be you in a few years, an actress on TV? Mommy asked, pointing at the screen with her potato peeler. Ever since I became a sophomore and started taking a drama class, Mommy can't stop talking about how she's going to sit here with her comadres and watch me in the telenovelas someday. Only if I lose about £1,000,000, I asked. I was chubby too when I was your age, but it's just baby fat. You'll grow out of it, Mommy says. She reaches over and caresses my face. You have your father's fine bone structure. Hermosa. When she looks at me like this, I do feel beautiful. But Mommy and I share more than a resemblance. In the midst of her busy life, she has carved out a special time for us. Every afternoon before dinner, while the rest of the kids play outside, she and I become sisters, agonizing over the unfairness in the lives of the heroines of our beloved telenovelas. It's make-believe, Poppy complains. He wants to see something real, like heavyweight boxing. He paces back and forth in the hall, with his hands in his pockets, waiting for us, las dos lloronas, to stop wiping our eyes, and leave the living room, so he can watch the fights in peace. But Mommy says, we can't change the channel. Lupita's favorite telenovela is coming on next. So Poppy shakes his head, takes his cowboy hat off the hook, and tells us he's leaving to go drink coffee and talk serious business with his compadres at the local truck stop. Mommy nudges me. I see, he wants to watch those big beefy guys on television exchanging blows, like Muhammad Ali and George Foreman used to do, she whispers. Nothing more realistic than that.